Hi, welcome to Morapankha Entertainment. So, in today's video, we can see the TRP of Kannada serials. In today's video, we can see top 25 Kannada serials. Basically, in last week, IPL is over. So, basically, in all over India, in all over languages, majority of serials increase their TRP because of IPL end. So this week many Kannada serials increase their TRP. Some Kannada serial increase their position in top 20 chart. So let's see today's video. And one more thing, if you like today's video, so please like, share and subscribe Morapankha Entertainment. It's a small step from you, but it means a lot for us. So please do it. Share with your friends and family. So let's start today's video. First of all, we can see shows between top 25 to 21. So on number 25, we have the Kannada show Saubhagyavati Bhava, and this week TRP of Saubhagyavati Bhava is 2.8. With this TRP, Saubhagyavati Bhava is coming in average category. Basically, we categorize all the serials with their respective TRP. So on number 24, we have the Kannada show Vaidehi Priniya, and this week TRP of Vaidehi Priniya is 3.1. With this TRP, Vaidehi Priniya is coming in average category. Then on number 23, we have Colors Kannada show Punyavati, and this week TRP of Punyavati is 3.2. With this TRP, Punyavati is coming in average category. Then on number 22, we have Colors Kannada show Tripura Sundari, and this week TRP of Tripura Sundari is 3.2. With this TRP, Tripura Sundari is coming in average category, and basically last 2 or maybe 3 weeks, the all show of Colors Kannada decrease in TRP as well as position. This week also Tripura Sundari decrease in their position and as well as the TRP. So on number 21, we have the Kannada serial Annapurna, and this week TRP of Annapurna is 3.4. With this TRP, Annapurna is coming in average category. So now we can see the show between top 20 to top 16. So on number 20, we have Colors Kannada show Ramachari, and this week TRP of Ramachari is 3.5. With this TRP, Ramachari is coming in good category. We can see the increment in TRP of Ramachari as well as the position of Ramachari is increased. Then on number 19, we have Colors Kannada show Antarpata, and this week TRP of Antarpata is 3.5. With this TRP, Antarpata is coming in good category. Then on number 18, we have Colors Kannada show Geeta, and this week TRP of Geeta is 3.7. With this TRP, Geeta is coming in good category. Then on number 17, we have the Kannada show Hitler Kalyana. Last week Hitler Kalyana shipped to 6:30 p.m. and this week TRP of Hitler Kalyana is 3.8. With this TRP, Hitler Kalyana is coming in good category, as well as we can see the increment in TRP of Hitler Kalyana. Then on number 16, we have Colors Kannada show Kenda Sabipenge, and this week TRP of Kenda Sabipenge is 3.9. In this week, we can see the major downfall in TRP of Kenda Sabipenge, as well as the show is coming on top 11 or maybe on top 12. But this week, the show is directly come on top 16, so it's a red signal for the show as well as for the channel. So now we can see the show between top 15 to top 11. So on number 15, we have Star Swarna show Nina Dena, and this week TRP of Nina Dena is 4.1. With this TRP, Nina Dena is coming in good category. Then on number 14, we have Star Swarna show Yadir Yadeshri Lingeshwara, and this week TRP of Yadir Yadeshri Lingeshwara is 4.1. With this TRP, Yadir Yadeshri Lingeshwara is coming in good category. Then on number 13, we have the Kannada show Mane Manglu, and this week TRP of Mane Manglu is 4.3. With this TRP, Mane Manglu is coming in good category. Then on number 10, we have the Kannada show Bholaminge Bandha Bhagwanta, and this week TRP of Bholaminge Bandha Bhagwanta is 4.5. Basically, till the last week, I pronounced this show Bhumige Bandha Bhagwanta. That's so wrong, and I can correct it in this video, but maybe in other show pronunciation, I can mistake the uchar, the pronunciation, because I am not Kannada, I am a Marathi. So if I am mistaking any kind of pronunciation, even in English language, so please tell me in comments. It's so helpful for me. So if I can mistake in anything, in any word, in any language, in Kannada or maybe even in English. So please tell me, it's so helpful for me. Then on number 11 we have the Kannada show Punarvivaha, and this week TRP of Punarvivaha is 4.6. With this TRP, Punarvivaha is coming in good category. So now we can see the show between top 10 to top 6. So on number 10 we have the Kannada show Tiriyani, and this week TRP of Tiriyani is 4.6. With this TRP, Tiriyani is coming in good category. Then on number 9 we have Star Swarna show Udo Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma, and this week TRP of Udo Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma is 4.8. With this TRP, Udo Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma is coming in good category. Then on number 8 we have Zee Kannada brand new show Amruta Dhare, and this week TRP of Amruta Dhare is 5.2. This is the second week of Amruta Dhare, and we can see the increment in TRP. Position is stable in this week. In last week's show also come in top 8, so the position is stable but TRP is increased little bit. Then on number 7 we have Star Swarna show Namahalachi, and TRP of Namahalachi is 5.2. With this TRP, Namahalachi is coming in good category, as well as Namahalachi is the number 1 show of Star Swarna. Then with the major decrement in position, we have on number 6 Colors Kannada show Bhagyalakshmi, and this week TRP of Bhagyalakshmi is 5.9. With this TRP, Bhagyalakshmi is coming in good category, but till the last week Bhagyalakshmi is constantly number 1 show of Colors Kannada. So on number 5 we have the Kannada show Satya, and this week TRP of Satya is 6.0. With this TRP, Satya is coming in great category. So on number 4 we have Colors Kannada show Lakshmi Brahma, and this week TRP of Lakshmi Brahma is 6.0. With this TRP, Lakshmi Brahma is coming in great category, as well as Lakshmi Brahma is number 1 show of Colors Kannada. We can have the show on number 3 is Zee Kannada show Shreerastu Shubhamastu, and this week TRP of Shreerastu Shubhamastu is 6.4. Is the huge increment in TRP and majorly in position. So on number 3 we have the Kannada show Gatimela, and this week TRP of Gatimela is 7.3. With this TRP, Gatimela is coming in great category, but in this week on the number 1 position we have the Kannada serial Putakanna Makallu, and we can see the major increment of TRP of Putakanna Makallu. This week TRP of Putakanna Makallu is 8.8. With this TRP, Putakanna Makallu is coming in greatest categories. So that's it. This is the Kannada serials TRP report. If you like today's video, then please share video with your family, friends. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Please click the like button. It's mean a lot for us. And see you in next video. Till then, take care.